in an effort to better serve the youth of our country. The Sindh Education Foundation under the Government of Sindh has been working to augment the ailing education system, a mission that will enhance the future of the nation.
SCF जो है वो टू प्रॉन्ग ऑब्जेक्टिव पे काम करता है. एक जो है वो एक्सेस टू एजुकेशन और उसके साथ एक्सेस टू क्वालिटी एजुकेशन.
In Sindh Education Foundation, we have a learning support unit which is responsible for teachers training in Sindh.
In keeping with their vision, the Sindh Education Foundation engaged Premier DLC, an arm of the Beacon House Group that specializes in the field of educational development, the art of educating. The educators.
जो SCF के मास्टर ट्रेनर्स हैं उनके लिए जो है वो ज़रूरी होता है. दे शुड बी वेरी वेल अवेयर विद द मॉडर्न पेडागोजी एज वेल एज द चाइल्ड डेवलपमेंट प्रोसेस. उसी के बाद जो है ये मुमकिन है कि दे कैन बेटर ट्रेन द टीचर्स.
A diverse team of 60 master trainers was chosen by Sindh Education Foundation to go through an arduous training activity. Spread over 2 phases, totaling 25 days, the training program adopted a blend of theoretical, practical, and recreational approaches to motivate and inspire the master trainer, ensuring that they are well equipped for their uphill journey towards a much needed educational revolution.
They are coming from interior Sindh, they are coming from Karachi, and there is quite a big variety of people who are either teaching maths or English or sciences or the social studies as a subject that is their main area of expertise.
What have we brought to the table? I would give it the formula of the 4 E's. Enlighten, experience. That leads on to empowerment. They pick up these 3 E's from this situation and then go back home and experiment.
The purpose of me here is to update,
to learn new teaching methodologies, techniques and technologies, new ideas, strategies,
to vitalize our capacities,
to get enhancement in my learning capabilities,
to better utilize my skills,
to apply it in my educational field,
to know new techniques and authentic techniques through which we can teach our learners very well.
To improve and polish our skills and make them more productive and result oriented.
To build personal and professional capacities in order to serve our nation more effectively.
Hands-on activities are done whenever required and wherever required, and we use our environment as well for their teaching.
One unique thing about this course that this is not a lecture course. We do not just lecture them and teach them theories or other stuff. We have designed experiences that our students undergo, and in that process they learn. There are specific projects that have been designed. Another feature of this course is that we have a 24/7 library and computer lab here. One of the participants in the group that I am teaching told me that they were having difficulties, that they wanted to say things but they were unable to say them. Knowing what we needed to do, told them that you try as best as you can. That day onwards, I could see that he was interested, that he was listening. And then on the day 6 of their training came this micro teaching session. And there's this gentleman standing in front of his peers, started off in English, and that part of the presentation was just absolutely brilliant. It's a story of growth and development.
I attended so many trainings in my life, but this training really bring a big change in my personality, in my attitude, in so many things.
something that was done in a very different manner.
a marvelous experience.
Now I am able to design my training sessions more effectively according to the learned strategies.
After completion this training, this is not end for me, this is beginning for me.
I am sure that these all experiences, knowledge, teaching techniques which I have learned here, I will all apply in my schools to bring new change.
We have become now a master trainer.
As I have taken their feedback today, so they are saying that they are feeling very confident and they have learned a lot through this training. और अब इस ट्रेनिंग के थ्रू हमारे टीचर्स जो हैं वो उन बच्चों को बेहतर तौर पे समझ भी सकेंगे और पढ़ा भी सकेंगे. So it's good for the teachers, it's good for our trainers, and it's good for the children. So eventually it's good for the society as a whole.